Welcome back. In the second inning is here. We are back live on Kashmir Sports Watch. And do join me on Kashmir Sports Watch from SNW Memorial Ground. And this is another match here. Wani Cricket Club Lolipura is taking on Afferwood 11 here. Afferwood 11 lost the toss and they were asked to bowl first. And Wani Cricket Club put 151 on the board. 152 is the target to Afferwood 11 here. Ball comes now. Right arm around the wickets. Spin has been introduced very early here. We are once again back live from one of the most beautiful grounds of the valley, that is SNW Memorial Ground from Chandrahama. This was a quicker one, beautifully bowled. Batsman could not read the line of the ball and was beaten. Terrific bowling there. Afferwood, they have already lost their one wicket. Afferwood 11 are chasing here the target of 152 runs here. Comes in, bowls, this time pulled it away. Catch is the call. Lands very safely outside the deep mid-wicket fence for a 6. 151 actually is the target here. This was a terrific shot. And that has been dispatched over the mid-wicket fence for a 6. Ball comes in. This time creates some extra room there. Banks it over the man at the extra cover fence. It has been well protected before ball goes into the fence. Yet a couple has been taken there. Ball has been received back by the bowler. Danish goes to the top of his bowling mark. A very magical spinner comes in. Ball is right arm round the wickets. This time smashes it. And it is at the disposal of the long on fence for another 6 here. Afferwood 11 here require now 125 runs from 97 balls. Mujib has smashed a beautiful 6. Back-to-back 6s in this over. Bowler has decided to come over the wickets now. This was a fuller one. Caught and bowled. Danish beauty. What a catch has been taken there. This catch is not easy to take there, but he has grabbed it smoothly. And he has taken a strong catch. That was absolutely a fantastic anticipation by the bowler. Mujib is walking back to the hut. It is 26 on the board here for the loss of 2 wickets. 4 overs gone. The current run rate is 6.50 and the required run rate is 7.81. Umar issue. I welcome everyone on Kashmir Sports Watch. This is a big match today. And now the Afferwood 11 will come surely in pressure here. They have lost their 2 topmost batsmen here, Adil and Mujib. Mujib has scored 16 runs from 9 balls. And Adil has scored 1 run from 5 balls. So far 2 bowlers have been utilized. In fact 3 bowlers by Wani Cricket Club Lolipura. Another batsman walks towards the middle of the ground until he is taking guard from the umpire. Let's have a deco on the fielding. And this was an acrobatic catch. It is first slip in place now. We have a short gully, backward of point, straightish point, short cover mid off. There is change in the fielding. 5 fielders to the offside and 4 fielders to the onside. 2 fielders outside the 30-yard ring. And this time it was some appeal here by the man at the point, and Wicketkeeper was there, Junaid. No run result. The score is staying on 26 here. Upperwood 11 for the loss of 2 wickets. Over number 5th has been started there. New batsman comes in. This time batsman wanted to swing it hard over the man at the long on, but he has been beaten. He could not read the line of the ball. Adil Thindama. Adil is the new batsman there. No change in the fielding. We have a long on and deep mid wicket in place for catching position. Bowler comes in right arm over the stumps. This time he has played it beautifully. It's going towards the backward of point. One bounce well over the advertising board. Adil has this time played this shot. Ball goes towards the fans for 4. Wani Cricket Club, if they want to win this match, then they need to have a tight fielding here and a very disciplined bowling. Danish has given a good breakthrough, and especially the catch he has taken. That is not an easy job. Goes on the back foot, stays on the leg stumps there, created some extra room, wants to bang it over the man at the long on. Long off rather. Mid off comes in. Long on goes there at the deep. Change in the fielding now. Mid off has been called and has been sent towards the long off. And the man at the first slip has been removed. He has gone towards the short gully. Comes in. Bowler right arm over the stumps. Arshad bowls a very good delivery. Nudges the ball towards the short mid wicket. Good fielding there. No run result is there. Score stays on. Upperwood 11 chasing 151 runs in 20 overs here. 26, 2 wicket is down. And we are going in over number 5 here. Here comes in Arshad. Right arm over the stumps. It was bit shorter. Catch is called for Mudassir and it's way away from Mudassir. And this was a safe shot from the batsman. Mudassir was bit aggressive at the end there. He cannot stop the ball as ball races to the fence for 4. And that was a wonderful shot. Fine leg is up in the 30-yard circle here. We have a deep mid wicket. We have a long on, long off. We are going in the over number 5 here. Manzoor, the most experienced from Chandrahama, is delivering here as an umpire, accompanied by Mr. Feroz Ahmed. He is also very experienced now in the business. Danish has been given the ball. And it's a very surprising thing that looks like from Danish, who comes from the school and right arm around the wickets. Danish goes at the top of his bowling mark. Now change in the fielding again. A long off has been called in, has been placed at the mid off. We have a gully and a very big cordon through the offside, in fact. Good delivery. This was a bit a fuller one there. In fact, the batsman nudges the ball towards the short mid wicket region until ball will be returned back to the bowler. One more run has been taken by the Upperwood 11. They have some strong records in Tarzua Sheikhul Alam Stadium. They have played some magnificent cricket. Upperwood 11. They need to be composed and need to be calm here. This time goes for an on-drive shot. Oh, that's a big fumble. That should have been stopped there. This is absolutely a casual fielding from Wani Cricket Club here. Everyone is disappointed here. This is a 170-180 pitch here. You are defending here 151 runs. Oh dear, this should not be done. Young lad staying at the long off. He's having a big fumble there. Ball races to the fence for 4. This time Wahid Lone could not play the shot. He could have banged it to any part of the park. It was a bit shorter there. There has been some problems with the footwork of this batsman. And he needs to work for it. He needs to work much more harder. Wahid Lone is on strike now. Wahid this time smashes it. It's going all the way. 2 bounces into the fans for 4. This was again a full delivery from Danish from Wani Cricket Club. He has taken already 1 wicket in the last over. The wicket of Mujib, the captain of Upperwood 11. And this time batsman created some extra room, stays on the leg stump and banks it over for a magnificent boundary here. It is 43 on the board here. Over number 6 is in progress. Bowler comes in, right arm round the wickets. Danish. This time slog sweep plays through the cow corner. Fielder is from long on field as well this time. This was a tough call comparatively to the last one. But he manages to stop 3 runs almost there. Save is almost 3 runs. 1 on the board. It's 43 for the loss of 2 wickets. Last ball to go in the power play here. Change in the fielding. Fine leg is up. Third man is up. We have a short gully backward of point. We have point, short cover, mid off and extra cover. This time batsman guides it and finds the fielder at the backward of point. No run results. Wahid Lone is not out on 1. Mujib is not out on 16. I beg your pardon. Mujib is out on 16. Abid is not out on 24 from 20 balls. This is Upperwood 11 taking on Wani Cricket Club, who won the toss. And they have put 150 runs on the board. 151 is the target to Upperwood 11 here. Wani Cricket Club, they need to make some tactical strategies in the game here. They are defending 151 runs here. And they need to be highly composed as well. There is a change in the bowling, it looks like. Wicket keeper staying away. We have now third man in place, backward of point. We have a deep point, short cover, long off, long on, deep mid wicket, but fine leg will stay within the 30-yard circle here. There is great atmosphere in the ground here. All the people from Lolipur are coming and watching the match at SNW venue here. Afaq Raja, yes, they have won the match. This time, guided it beautifully. Once again, a casual fielding there. That should have been stopped. Fielder was well approaching over it to just stop the ball. At the end, it was a misfielding. And that's another fumble by Wani Cricket Club. Ball races to the fans for 4. But the shot was perfect here. And it was like a bullet. Batsmen have had enough time to anticipate it. And banks it over for 4. Adil and Wahid are at the crease here. This time it was bit shorter, didn't time it well, catches the call there, man at the long on comes in. Ball just lands safely before he reaches it. And there is one more run to the tail here. Score moves up to now 45 for the loss of 2 wickets. 49 rather, bowler comes in. Right arm over the stumps. Oh, that's a beautifully ball. This time it was a short pitch bouncer. Ball just struck on his helmet. He's having a pain there. Bowler is apologizing. And we hope it will be all better there. And that is why the helmets are very, very important here. Helmets needs to be wear every time in the game of cricket, and this was a nostalgia for the batsman. He is getting up, a good sign for the team. Upperwood 11 here, not any worries here, takes drinks and gets up. This is a good sign for Upperwood 11 that the batsman is Abid and Wahid are at the crease here. Upperwood 11 is having some promising batsmen in their dugout who are waiting for their turn. They have lost their 2 wickets, but they too have some depth in the batting. But what is more important for the team of Upperwood 11, they need to stay calm and composed between the wickets and just punish the bad ball and anticipate very positively on the tougher balls. Muhammad Omar have some interaction with the guys on Kashmir Sports Watch. This is your host commentator Shafi Para, and stay tuned and stay live on. Muhammad Omar, thank you so much. Mushtaq Ahmad, thank you. Afaq, Khurshid, JR Khurshid is one of the fantastic all-rounder from Chandrama Shine. Is Shafi Para the great. Omar Athar is one of the great sportsmen that I have ever seen. अक्कू जी सर जी आदिल को बोलो समीर बोल रहा है आराम से खेलो. या समीर, I will tell him definitely. I am every time suggesting the batsman not to take any kind of an ultra risk here. You have to play sensibly here and you have to play a positive cricket. That's what cricket is all about here. Muhammad Rafi, Rafi हम उसे बोलते हैं. Rafi is watching the match from Boom Boom General Store. Wasim Nisar is watching the match. Tariq Ahmad, Mehrajuddin, the great players for the Chandrama, Tariq and Mehraj. Tariq Bhai, Mehraj Bhai, thank you for joining me here on Kashmir Sports Watch. We have Irshad Bhai and Ejaz Bhai watching the match. Meanwhile, wicketkeeper is going and staying away from the stumps. Music player Now bowler goes to the top of his bowling mark. That was a good sign of friendship. Bowler just apologized to the batsman, although it was not deliberately there. He looks like a very young, looks like 19 or 20 years old, and white ball has been signaled by umpire there. A talented batsman, in fact, Wahid. Along with him is Abid. Bowler Salman has been brought into the attack. 4th ball of this over. Upperwood 11 or 50 on the board for the loss of 2 wickets. Comes in. This time just shows full face of the bat and almost sends it towards the deep. Fielder comes from the deep square leg and fielded the ball, sends back to the wicket keeper. Yet another single has been taken there. Score goes up to 51 for the loss of 2 wickets. Over number 7th is in progress here. We are highly thankful to all the sponsors, especially our brand sponsor, that is Sahara Diagnostic Hospital Hyderabad and BioCare Lab. Mashuk Bhai and Zubair Bhai, both of you, thank you so much for being part of it. We have a Wood Park Hanjivera. Ahmed supports. Meanwhile, ball comes in. Salman right arm of the stumps. Oh, catches the call. Terrific catch has been taken. Left wait. Finger goes up in the air. This was an acrobatic catch from the wicketkeeper. And wicketkeeper, it was really a tough task for him. But Kridgar, this was really a fantastic catch, and thank you Ratar Niyaz, thank you so much. Akuji, SNW Chandrama is presenting you another blockbuster match. This is not a Super Sunday. I would like to remind you, this is a Super Saturday here. And for Chandrama SNW, does not matter which day is here, because on every day we have a jam-packed stadium. And you can watch the match at the evening No issues with it. And it was looking like a close call. Manzoor was quite confident there. And this was some extra bounce on the surface. Their batsmen wanted to just glance the ball. Many of the times batsmen have not ability of executing the shots on short pitch deliveries. Abid is departing. He is walking back to the hut. Forward 11 have lost their third wicket. Now momentum is coming back in Wani Cricket Club here, WCC Lolipura. And why not? They should have to think about their fielding, not to make any kind of sloppy fieldings here. This can bang you out of the competition. Captain behind the wickets has done absolutely an acrobatic job. Forward 11 Sports Club, Thendima, Kriri, Baramulla, thank you. Or heading towards the all out, and this is a game of cricket. You can't predict earlier, and that is why this game has its own glamour across the globe. That is why this is the most glamorous game of the world after some of the games here. And absolutely this was a fantastic bowling. That is why Salman has been brought into the attack. He is going with the last ball of this over. It is 51 on the board, last ball of the 7th over. Slip has been placed in after that bouncer. Comes in, bowls, and that was a magnificent bowling around the good length area. He has picked up a good spot there. And there is some hugging there, amicable relationship between the guys there. Ball has been taken well behind the wickets by wicketkeeper with jersey number 8. It looks like Junaid. He has done a terrific job. No damage done. 51 on the board for the loss of 3 wickets here. Rafi, Nisar, I am highly thankful to all of you, everyone, every fan of mine, every fan of SNW. And we are highly thankful to all the management of Shaheen Sports Association hosting the 17th edition of this event, which started in 2004 when Nesbel became the first champions of this SNW 2020 trophy. The last time winners were Ahmed Warriors, Baspura, Srinagar. Adil Pollard was the captain against RPCC Wachura, Riyaz Peer. Before that edition, we have the winners of Sultan Warriors when Nisar was in terrific form, Nisar Bohrs. And before that edition, it was Chak Raza Khan who won the title. And before that, some other team as FCC Baspura. We had, PCC Tarzu once became the champions. And we have the champions like 5 times, that is Star Supports Palhalan. What a team and what a performers from Star Supports. Thank you so much for joining me on Kashmir Supports Watch. Do share, like and comment who will win the match, as this is going to be a big match between the two teams. That is Forward 11 versus WCC Lolipura here. Now slip has been placed in. Change in the bowling now. Ejaz has been brought into the attack. 1 over before this one. Catches the call, will be a soft dismissal. What is happening here with Forward 11? Forward 11 are losing their concentration now here. They are coming in a huge pressure. 151 has been the target given to them. I think some pep talk needs to be done in the management of Forward 11 at the dugout. This is going to be absolute collapse for the team. 4th wicket gone. It's 51 on the board. As their president, chairman, they are highly emotionally involved whenever their batsmen are not clicking on the proper time. They need to work hard over it. And that was a terrific catch taken here before by the wicketkeeper behind the wickets. Wahid Lun after some time departs here. Mehraj is at the non-striker's end. Ejaz has given the breakthrough. Ejaz 1 over, 1 run, 1 wicket. His economy is actually has bowled 1.1 over. His economy has been so far 0.86. Absolutely fantastic. Salman is the another man He has bowled 1 over, 7 runs and 1 wicket. WCC Lolipura and chanting the slogans that Almighty Allah is the greatest of all, the supreme power of the world. It looks like Maqsood is walking down the middle. Maqsood is known for big shots. And after this spear, the tailenders will be going to start their way. Upperwood 11 need a good partnership here on. If they want to win the match, if in fact they want to go very close to the match, they need to have build up a good partnership and they have to go very close. That is only because of a good partnership here. Some magical bowling from WCC Lolipura here. Mudassir staying at the backward point. We have one slip in place. We have a backward point. We have a straightish point, short cover, long off, long on, deep mid wicket, deep square leg, and finding is up, and there is no one across here. Good ball, Maqsood. Just defensively drives the ball towards the short cover region, and it is one more run adds to the tally now. Score goes up to now 53 for the loss of 4 wickets. 8th over is in progress here. WCC, absolutely they need to be calm here. Saqib Rumi sometimes overconfidence is just hovering over the shoulders of the players, that create some mess in the dressing room. Confidence is a very good thing, but overconfidence breaks all the level of winning moments. Comes in, bowls him this time. Batsman just guides it, run out, shy the non-strikes, and not in a good direction. And the wicketkeeper was just annoyed by it. Muhammad Umar, Upperwood 11, yeah. Tears should not come out. This is a game of cricket. And if it happens for you, then keep an ECC portable machine here. Bowler comes in, meanwhile Ejaz, right arm. Oh, this time once again guides the ball. Finds the fielder. Mudassir was there from Lolipura. And there is no run. WCC Lolipura won the toss, decided to bat first. And they have put a show of 150 runs on the board. 151 is the target here. 73 balls, 97 runs. Who will win the match? WCC Lolipura this time. Drives the ball handsomely. What a placement. This was a beautiful shot. Ball is racing to the extra court fence for 4. Mehraj was the batsman there. Mehraj has faced 4 balls and he has scored 5 runs here. This was a stylish but fruitful as well. Score moves up to now 58 for the loss of 4 wickets. It is 72 balls now, 93 runs required here. Muhammad Umar, Saqib Rumi, Muhammad Umar, yes Shafi bhai, everybody needs to stay calm here. Thank you so much. Ohab Vani, snack और उसको कब मैच है भाई? No, I don't have any ideas about the fixture as I have a lot of assignments over my shoulders. So sorry to say, I don't have any ideas about this match. And Ohab Vani, thank you for joining me here. You are watching live streaming on Kashmir Sports Watch. And Nasir is watching me from his shop. Muhammad Yusuf from Tapar is watching. And Upperwood 11. Zishan Parvez is also watching the match. Umar Wani, thank you. Ishu, Assalamu alaikum. Parasab, wa alaikum salam. J.R. Khurshid is also a hard hitter batsman, is also watching the match. Shakil Ahmed. Upperwood 11 versus WCC Lolipura. Ball comes in. It was a short pitch delivery there. Maqsood, the batsman, could have smashed this ball over the man at the short cover. Intention was clear, but the timing and meeting is between ball and bat, that did not happen at all. No run results. Miss you much, Shafi bhai. Thank you. No run results. Score stays here. Muhammad Umar for WCC Lolipura, who have given the target of 151 against Upperwood 11. This time flicks the ball beautifully. Finds the fielder. Protection is in the deep. Deep square leg comes in charge and sends the ball back to a wicket keeper. Until then, one more gets to the tally now. Score moves up to 59. We are in over number 9 for the loss of 4 wickets. This is the most prominent pair. This is the ultimate hope for the team of Upperwood 11. If they want to go close, then they have to build up a good partnership here on. This time slaps it like a rocket, but did not. In fact, at the end time it well. Fielder comes in charge. Fields really well, sends ball back to wicketkeeper. Until then, batsmen have all the time between the wickets to go for another couple of runs here. But Nazir, thank you. Saqib, Rumi, thank you so much for joining me. I think Upperwood 11, they need to have some patience there. They have to play some promising cricket. At the other end, we have WCC Lolipura. They are at the driver's seat, but they need to continue it. So far, there has been a wonderful ascendancy by WCC. Beautifully ball Apelia, surely, but nothing was there with ball and bat. So far, it has been a possession by WCC Lolipura in the second innings here in first 10 overs so far. 9th over is going here. Vicky Stark, thank you. Ali Muhammad Malik, thank you. Inshallah, we'll try to give you village level trophy as well. Ali Muhammad, thank you for joining me. Comes in, balls to Mehraj. Mehraj this time down the ground. No one can stop it. If you can keep all the balls there, he can shackle and he can break the shackle there. And this breaks some silence and this breaks some ice in the dugout of Upperwood 11 and really banks it very well. It is down the ground for 4. Score is now mounting up to 65, 4 down. But Iku, thank you. This batsman has a credibility and ability of playing the strokes, but he needs to be highly composed there. Or this time inside out, create some route, bangs the ball over the man at the cover. Ball is going towards the deep and one bounce into the fans for 4. This was a short pitch delivery. Captain behind the wickets is absolutely annoyed by this delivery. He's not quite happy over it. Score is racing to 69, 4 down. Upperwood 11 needs now 82 from 66 balls here. 9 overs gone, 69 on the board, chasing 151 here. Upperwood 11, they have lost their 4 trump card batsmen. Mujib was looking in absolutely wonderful form, but he could not continue. Mujib has some sort of problems not to, playing as an anchoring role in the team. He needs to work hard over it. Wahid Lun departs as well. Adil could only contribute 1 run. Abid was the, handy contributor for Upperwood 11. He has scored some wonderful shots with 29 runs and 23 balls as faced with 5 magnificent boundaries and 1 6 at the strike rate of 126. Meanwhile, there is change in the bowling. Arshid has been brought into the attack now. There is barrage of fielders through the offside. 6 fielders through the offside now. This time, catch is the call. Let's wait for the signals. Land safely before the ball will be stopped there. Yes, somebody comes and rescue there from WCC Lolipura here. This is the commitment that WCC needs to be done here. Fantastic fielding at the end. Umar Athar, love you too. Sami Amir, love you. Thank you everyone. And this was like a launcher, but that was wonderfully retaliated by the fielder at the end. Saves couple of runs. Score goes up to now 71. Upperwood 11. 4 down, 10th over goes in. Arshid comes in. Oh, this is going to be a catch call. Maybe he will be able to find the place. Let's wait for the umpire signals. It's 1 bounce into the fans for 4. Signal comes from both the umpires, Manzoor and Feroz. And what retaliation comes from Upperwood 11. That's why I was talking about the depth in the batting. They have some quality batsmen in the hut. They need to work hard and they need to stay composed. Once you have banged a couple of boundaries in an over, then you have to play sensible. Don't go for hard hitting. You can play some singles, doubles as well. This is not a small ground. This is a feasible 20-20 ground. This time guides the ball, finds the fielder at the backward of point. with jersey number 3. No run results. Sajad Aziz, thank you. Sajad, I really love you. I especially love your dressing, and you are especially every time using some wonderful brands like Adidas, Nike, and you are absolutely a wonderful supporter of SNW. Sam, Amir, thank you so much. And this is going to be a super clash now. A big encounter is happening here between Afarvat 11 versus WCC Lolipura. It's a healthy edge, no protection in the deep of third man. Runs are being leaked here by WCC Lolipura. It's all the way through the deep. Third man fans for 4. Captain is disappointed over it. But Maqsood will be a vital player for the team of Afarvat 11 here. He is a powerhouse, but he needs to stay calm as well. Maqsood moves up to 13. Maharaj moves up to 15. Score Afarvat 11, 79-4 down here. Oh, that is going to be a dolly, and let's wait. Big untowardness comes here for WCC Lolipura, and that's what we call here. This time luck has now not favored the bowler, otherwise this was surely a wicket on the cards. And WCC Lolipura, they are looking absolutely casual in their fielding now. Oh dear, oh young lads, you need to work hard. This is not a Casco tournament. This is absolutely SNW 2020 trophy. They have batted well, but they need to defend it. Both the teams so far are giving good competition and good retaliation to each other. Oh, there is no chance of any run. Fielding needs to be tight. They have to work hard over it. WCC Lolipura fans are watching from the ground. And this is 10 overs gone. Half of the innings comes to an end. 60 balls, 72 runs required here. Afarvat 11, they are in a cockpit of chase. 151 is the target for them. Gibran, I like the name Gibran, to be very honest, and Wasim Nisar, the chief organizer. I salute you guy, and I have no words to describe you. Absolutely fantastic Wasim, and fantastic Gibran. And Wasim has hosted a big event. There are no questions over it. I think when you talk about some big events of the valley, surely the third edition of Boom Boom, which has been played here, comes at the top of the level as well. So he has given good entertainment. Mir Amin, thank you. Watching from Mir Amin. Mir Amin is watching from. Let's have a look. Wasim Nisar, thank you. Prince Islam, thank you. Shovi Lon, thank you. Sam Amir, thank you. Best of luck. Yeah, thank you. And Adil, Zabardast. What is Zabardast? Is commentary Zabardast or match is Zabardast? Adil, thank you. Meanwhile, मजाक कर रहा हूँ आदिल भाई, and thank you so much for joining me on Kashmir Supports Watch. Stay tuned. You can share it. You will not lose anything there from your pockets. Though we cannot earn anything, but I think more people will be connected with Kashmir Supports Watch. The page is working very hard, and the team of KSW is working hard over it to give you the best and quality cricket from the valley. Wicket keeper is having a look. He's the captain of the side. He's having a deco on the fieldings now. We have Galeen place. Backward of point, D point has been placed at the catching position. Short cover, long off at the catching position, patrolling that area. Bowler comes in. Change in the bowling now. Basit Bhatt has been brought into the attack. थोड़ी सी बात उर्दू में भी हो जाएगी ताकि बहुत सारे लोग हमसे जो जुड़ चुके हैं वो थोड़ा सा एंजॉय करेंगे. हमारी ज़बान तो इंग्लिश नहीं है, लेकिन क्या करेंगे, एक स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ क्रिकेट रखना पड़ता है. उर्दू में भी बात हो जाएगी. अरे बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आसिफ, आपका भी बहुत शुक्रिया. समी आमिर, बहुत शुक्रिया. रेन कन्फर्म. अरे भाई रेन की कोई बात ही नहीं है. कमेंट्री ज़बरदस्त. मीर अमीन, बहुत शुक्रिया. उमर अतर, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. और बात करेंगे अब मैच की. अफरवट 11 को यहाँ से जीतने के लिए 60 गेंदों में 72 रनों की जरूरत है. क्या वो करने में कामयाब हो जाएंगे? नहीं. इस गेंद को फ्लिक किया खूबसूरत अंदाज में. बहुत ही दिलकश स्ट्रोक लग गया बल्ले से और उम्दा शॉट. गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रनों के लिए. रफीक मीर, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. मोहम्मद आमिर, बहुत शुक्रिया. पोशवारी से मैच देख रही है. और सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। कोई बात नहीं वसीम भाई, आपके लिए हमेशा हाजिर हैं हम। एक बार फिर चले गेंदबाज बासित महराज का सामना, इस गेंद को खूबसूरत अंदाज में वहां पर कट कर दिया। हालांकि खिलाड़ी मौजूद थे वहां पर, जरूर उन्होंने फील्डिंग की। 1 रन का मौका था। अफरवट 11 का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 83, 4 विकेट के नुकसान पे। इनिंग्स का ये 11वां ओवर चल रहा है। बासित चले, राइट आर्म ओवर द विकेट्स, तेज चले। अंपायर मंजूर को क्रॉस किया, शॉर्ट गेंद थी वहां पर और इस गेंद को खूबसूरत अंदाज में खेल दिया। शानदार स्ट्रोक, गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा से बाहर। आरिफ रतर डोडा से मैच देख रहे हैं और इस तरह से 87 और 88 रन बोर्ड पे लग चुके हैं यहाँ पर अफरवट 11 के। अगर WCC लोलीपुरा को ये मैच जीतना है तो फील्डिंग और बॉलिंग यहाँ पर टाइट होनी चाहिए। जितनी शॉर्ट गेंद आप मकसूद को डालोगे ना, तो इसको कहते हैं आ बेल मुझे मार। ऐसी आतिशी बल्लेबाजी करते हैं मकसूद। बासित चले एक बार फिर, बहुत अच्छी गेंद। ये गेंद है जहां पर आप बीट कर सकते हैं मकसूद को और शानदार गेंदबाजी। उमर अतर बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। और अजमत आपका भी बहुत शुक्रिया। उमर भाई आपका हमेशा साथ रहा है। महराज भाई इंदरगाम से मैं मैच देख रहे हैं। महराज भाई बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका, हमेशा आपका सपोर्ट रहा है। और चंद्रामा के जितने भी बड़े दिग्गज हैं मैच देख रहे हैं इस वक्त SNW के अब्दुलवाद स्टैंड से। और गुलजार साहब जनरल सेक्रेटरी मैच देख रही है। अच्छी गेंद डाली वहां पर, रन आउट होने के खतरात बन सकते हैं, लेकिन बहुत ही कमाल की रनिंग इस वक्त। कहते हैं ना कि यहां पर जब आप एक अच्छे लाइन में होते हो तो सब चीजें आपके फेवर में जाती है। अफरवट 11 की जो ये पार्टनरशिप है ना, थोड़ी सी WCC लोलीपुरा लड़खड़ा रही है। यहाँ पर उनको मेहनत करनी चाहिए। और कहते हैं ना, गिरते हैं शहसवार मैदानी जंग में, वो तिफ्ल क्या गिरे जो घुटनों के बल चले। गुलजार साहब बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। प्रिंस इस्लाम आपका भी बहुत शुक्रिया, आप हमारे विदेश से देख रहे हो। उमर अतर बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। प्रिंस इस्लाम सबों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। बासित चले एक बार फिर, इस गेंद को अपर कट कर दिया खूबसूरत अंदाज में। आज के दिन का सबसे बेहतरीन शॉट, गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रनों के लिए। जितनी भी तारीफ इस स्ट्रोक के लिए उतनी कम। महराज के बल्ले से निकलता हुआ ये शानदार स्ट्रोक, और क्या शॉट मारा। शॉर्ट पिच गेंदे जो है अफरवट 11 ने हमेशा जबरदस्त खेला आज के मैच में। एजाज आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। एजाज का हमेशा साथ रहा। बिलाल भाई आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। सैम आमिर आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। सैम आमिर कोशिश करेंगे सीखने की, और लाइफ इज़ ऑल अबाउट लर्निंग। और ज़िंदगी तो जीने के अलावा यहाँ पर हमेशा एक इंसान को सीखने की तड़प होनी चाहिए और सीखना भी चाहिए। और हमें सजेशंस की जो है, वसीम विकेट कीपर को सलाम बोल रही है। रफ़ी निसार आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आप वहाँ पर बूम बूम जनरल स्टोर से मैच देख रहे हो, बहुत शुक्रिया। साकिब आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। गुलजार साहब का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, क्योंकि उनके जो करीबी रिश्तेदार इस फ़ानी दुनिया से चले हैं, मोहम्मद अकबर यतू साहब जो है, कल उनकी मौत हुई है। शाहीन सपोर्ट्स एसोसिएशन की पूरी जो टीम है, और हम ताज़ियत के लिए गए थे वहाँ पर कल, और काफ़ी दुख हुआ सारी एसोसिएशन को, सारी टीम को, और काफ़ी दुख हुआ। और जो शौकत है, उनके बेटे शौकत साहब को हम दुआ मांग रहे हैं अल्लाह ताला की, अल्लाह ताला उनकी फैमिली को, उनको सब्र अता फरमाए, क्योंकि इकलौते लड़के हैं उनके, मोहम्मद अकबर, जो अब इस दुनिया में नहीं है। अल्लाह ताला उनकी कब्र को पुरनूर करे। और हमें रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए हर एक इंसान की, और जो लोग एक दूसरे की इज्जत करते हैं, जो लोग एक दूसरे को समझते हैं, मुझे लगता है कि वो ज़्यादा बेहतर चीज़ होती है। शबीर मलिक है भाई, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। वालेकुम सलाम। जम्मू से मैच देख रहे हैं। एक बार फिर बहुत ही अच्छी गेंद, वहाँ पर कमाल की गेंद डाली और बीट कर दिया वहाँ पर चारू खान चीद। मकसूद जो है वो दिखा रहे हैं मैं आउट नहीं हूँ। मकसूद भाई कोई बात नहीं, आप वहाँ पे लड़ते जाए, अभी भी ये मैच जो है ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है। यहाँ से 1 विकेट की दरकार है WCC लोलीपुरा को। अच्छी गेंद डाली वहाँ पर, इस गेंद को रक्षात्मक तरीके से खेल दिया। रन आउट होने के कोई चांसेस ही नहीं बनेंगे, क्योंकि रन मुकम्मल किया वहाँ पर। रईस वानी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे जुड़ने के लिए। और सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत शबीर अहमद देख रहे हैं मैं मैच बांडीपुरा बाबा ऋषि से, बांडी पाइन बाबा ऋषि से। शबीर आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। अफरवट 11 उनका स्कोर पहुंच चुका है 94 रन 4 विकेट के नुकसान पे। इनिंग्स का 12वां ओवर, नीचे रहती हुई गेंद को धकेल दिया, रन लेना चाहते थे, मकसूद ने मना कर दिया। वहां पर नॉन स्ट्राइकिंग एंड पे किसी रन का कोई इजाफा नहीं। स्कोर बदस्तूर यहाँ पर 94 रन 4 विकेट के नुकसान पे। इनिंग्स का ये 12वां ओवर चल रहा है। अगर करंट रन रेट की बात की जाएगी तो 8.08 की औसत से रन्स बन रहे हैं, और अगर आने वाली रन रेट की बात करेंगे, अगर रिक्वायर्ड रन रेट की बात करेंगे तो 6.98 की औसत से रन बनाने होंगे। मीर एजाज इस ओवर में आखिरी बार 12वें ओवर की आखिरी गेंद, सामना करेंगे उनका महराज। चले मीर एजाज, अच्छी गेंद वहां पर अपील चलती हुई और आउट करार दिया। यहां से मिडिल और लेग स्टंप से गेंद लग रही थी और अक्रॉस द लाइन खेलना चाहते थे, और फेरोज के मन में सिर्फ एक ही सवाल आया कि मैं उंगली खड़ा कर दूंगा, और बल्लेबाज वापस जा रहे हैं पवेलियन की ओर। तो इस तरह से अफरवट 11 ने एक और महत्वपूर्ण विकेट यहां पर खोया। महराज जो बल्लेबाज थे 24 रन बनाए 14 गेंदों में 5 चौकों की मदद से, और अच्छा कमबैक। हीट अप। मेरे जो बिल्कुल छोटे भाई की तरह है इरफान चंद्रामा के, मुझे लगता है कि सबसे बेहतरीन डिफेंडर इस वक्त मैच देख रहे हैं। इरफान आपका स्वागत करते हैं और आपके दोस्तों को भी यहाँ पर SNW मेमोरियल ग्राउंड में। तो अमृतसर से कुछ लोग हमसे जुड़ चुके हैं, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। नॉट आउट है, कुछ बोल रहे हैं। मकसूद टीम की उम्मीद वहां पर मौजूद। मकसूद है नॉट आउट, 19 रन बना के 16 गेंदों का सामना किया, 3 चौके, 94 रन बोर्ड पे लग चुके हैं। शकूर जो है कास्को के ये मास्टर माने जाते हैं। शकूर एक ऐसे बल्लेबाज है जिन्होंने एक ओवर में 6 छक्के मारे थे अली मेमोरियल नॉकआउट कास्को टूर्नामेंट में। और कुछ लोग हमें अमृतसर से ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। अफरवट 11 को चाहिए कि वो यहाँ से वो एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप बनाए, और हम सारे लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, सारे फैंस का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया करना चाहेंगे जो हमें कश्मीर स्पोर्ट्स वॉच पे देख रहे हैं। इस बार रक्षात्मक तरीके से इस गेंद को खेल दे। 1 रन के लिए रन लेने का मौका था, जब तक दानिश गेंद पे जा पड़े तब तक 1 रन लिया वहाँ पर मकसूद ने। मकसूद के खाते में 1 और रन, और उनका ज़ाती स्कोर 20। अफरवट 11 का ज़ाती और टीम का स्कोर पहुँच गया 95 रन 5 विकेट के नुकसान पे। इनिंग्स का ये 13वां ओवर चल रहा है। कौन मैच जीतेगा? 46 गेंदों में 56 रनों की जरूरत है। क्या अफरवट 11 जीतेगी या WCC लोलीपुरा? कमेंट्स में बताए, इंतजार करेंगे आपके कमेंट्स का। फ्लैटेड गेंद को यहाँ पर डिफ्लेक्ट कर दिया, वहाँ पर फील्डर आ रहे हैं लॉन्ग ऑन से। हालांकि डीप मिड विकेट से खिलाड़ी आए थे, उन्होंने गेंद को फील्ड किया। और जब तक कुपवाड़ा से कुछ लोग हमसे जुड़ रहे हैं, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। मकबूल मागरे बहुत शुक्रिया, और सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आपका प्यार। और हम खुलूस भरे अल्फाजों से आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहेंगे। अफरवट 11 केवल 4 रन दूर अपने 100 के आंकड़े से है। अच्छी गेंद, बहुत ही अच्छी गेंद डाली वहां पर, बहुत ही बड़ा विकेट यहां पर। फिरोज की उंगली हवा में बुलंद। अभी भी मकसूद की टांग है वो वहीं पे है, आप शाम को भी देख सकते हो यहाँ पर कश्मीर स्पोर्ट्स वॉच पे। इस तरह से अफरवट की पूरी टीम अब बिखर चुकी है। उनकी उम्मीद और जो उन पे एक हम कहते रहे कि रीढ़ की हड्डी जैसा रोल इस वक्त कर रहे थे, मकसूद जो कि बड़े शॉट्स के लिए जाने जाते हैं, इस वक्त आहिस्ता आहिस्ता पवेलियन की ओर वापस जाते हुए। अब 44 गेंदों में 55 रन की जरूरत है। तो मेरे साथ जुड़ गया टेक्निकल हेड कश्मीर स्पोर्ट्स वॉच के अब्दुल रकीब, उनका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। शाकिर राजा बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। खलीफ रबाड़ा के जैसे बॉलर इस टूर्नामेंट में कोई नहीं है, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। खलीफ तो वाकई में एक अच्छा टैलेंट है। रईस बोल रहे WCC लोलीपुरा मैच जीतेगी। लकी सरताज बहुत शुक्रिया। हदीगाम कुलगाम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वालेकुम सलाम, प्यार भरा सलाम हमारा भी कुलगाम को भेज दे। वहाँ पर मेरा एक कमेंटेटर दोस्त है नासिर, उन तक मेरी सलाम पहुँचाना। और सैम आमिर आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। थर्ड अंपायर, और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। थर्ड अंपायर है क्या? हाँ है ना थर्ड अंपायर। आप शाम को मैच कश्मीर स्पोर्ट्स वॉच पे देखें, और थर्ड अंपायर की कोई ज़रूरत है ही नहीं। तारिक अहमद बहुत शुक्रिया। सभी लोगों का शारिक राजा मोहम्मद आमिर आपका शुक्रिया। तो रकीब मेरे साथ जुड़ गया, क्या लग रहा है रकीब? 44 गेंदों में 55 रनों की ज़रूरत है यहाँ पर। तो रकीब को थोड़ा सा काम पड़ गया यहाँ पर, क्योंकि काफ़ी जिम्मेदारी है उन पर यहाँ पे। रकीब चाहे फील्ड में होंगे या फील्ड से बाहर होंगे, हमेशा उन पर जिम्मेदारी है। 44 गेंदों में 55 रनों की ज़रूरत। 6 खिलाड़ी आउट, 96 रन बोर्ड पे लग चुकी है। अफरवट 11 151 रन का ताकुब करते हुए अच्छी गेंद डाली थी। इस गेंद को गाइड कर दिया सीधे खिलाड़ियों के हाथों में। अब काफ़ी ज़्यादा दबाव आ चुका है। सोहेल हुसैन नए बल्लेबाज आए हैं। यहां से विकेट्स को बचाना पड़ेगा। अगर विकेट्स बचाने में कामयाब हो जाएंगे यहां पर अफरवट की टीम, तो ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं होगा। सिर्फ आखिरी के 2-3 ओवर्स में उनको बाउंड्रीज या छक्के लगाने पड़ेंगे, बाकी विकेट्स बचाने पड़ेंगे ज़रूर। अच्छी गेंद डाली वहां पर, बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त क्विकर गेंद डाली और बीट कर दिया बल्लेबाज को। चारों खाने चिद, इम्तियाज़ अहमद, समीर टाइगर हाईएस्ट स्कोर एट एसन। बिल्कुल 174 रन का ज़ाती, 172 शायद एक ज़ाती जो है हाईएस्ट स्कोर है यहाँ इस SNW के ग्राउंड में। लेकिन उनकी टीम यहाँ से इस साल इस कंपटीशन से बाहर। आप देख रहे हो मैच कश्मीर स्पोर्ट्स वॉच पे। अगर आप शेयर करेंगे तो कुछ नुकसान नहीं होगा, लेकिन आपको भी फ़ायदा होगा, हमको भी फ़ायदा होगा, क्योंकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग हमसे जुड़ जाएंगे। गेंदबाज चले दानिश इस ओवर में दूसरी बार। उनका सामना करेंगे यहां पर शकूर। अच्छी गेंद थी और ज़बरदस्त अंदाज में ड्राइव किया इस गेंद को। लॉन्ग ऑफ से फील्डर चले, उन्होंने गेंद को फील्ड किया। इस तरह से सोहेल अब सामना करेंगे वहां पर इस ओवर की अगली गेंद का। 97 रन बोर्ड पे लग चुके हैं। अच्छा शॉट खेला, बॉलर्स के फॉलो थ्रू में वहां पर गेंद को रोक दिया गया। मोहम्मद उमर अवाक का शुक्रिया। इनायत आपका भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। और किसी भी रन का कोई इजाफा नहीं। स्कोर बदस्तूर 97 रन, 6 विकेट आउट। उन इनिंग्स का ये 14वां ओवर चल रहा है। अच्छी गेंद डाली, डिफ्लेक्ट किया इस गेंद को वहां पर मिड ऑन की जाने। फील्डर खुद चले गेंदबाज जब तक उनका थ्रो आए विकेट कीपर के दस्ताने में, लेकिन उन्होंने वहां पर ही गेंद को रोक लिया। और इस तरह से अब 98 रन बोर्ड पे लग चुके हैं। 39 गेंदें बाकी, 53 रनों की जरूरत है यहां से। शकूर और सोहेल टेलेंडर्स की शुरुआत हो चुकी है। वहां पर बहुत ही अच्छी फील्डिंग की। यहां पर पहली स्लिप पे खिलाड़ी मौजूद, कमाल की फील्डिंग की यहां पर फील्डर ने। यकीनी तौर पे एक चौका बचाया। 38 गेंदों में 53 रन चाहिए अफरवट 11 को। जीशान बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, एक अच्छे स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप दिखा रहे हैं जीशान भाई। और एक बार फिर अपील, अभी भी अपील कर रहे हैं। इस अपील का कोई भी असर नहीं वहां पर अंपायर पे। विकेट कीपर को लग रहा था कि कुछ था, लेकिन यहां से लग रहा था शायद कुछ नहीं था। और इस तरह से स्कोर बदस्तूर 98 रन, 6 विकेट के नुकसान पे। आखिरी गेंद इस ओवर की, 14 ओवर की आखिरी गेंद लेके चले गेंदबाज, अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, शॉट गेंद, खूबसूरत शॉट, कैच आउट हो सकते हैं। खूबसूरत था लेकिन काफी खराब शॉट खेला यहां पर शकूर ने। इस तरह से अफरवर्ट 11 की जो टीम है पूरी तरह से बिखर चुकी है। अफरवर्ट 11 जिस टीम और जिस खेल के लिए जानी जाती है, काफी खराब क्रिकेट उन्हें खेली है। लोन दाऊद, तब तक बात हो जाएगी मेरे सारे शायकीनों से जो इस वक्त देख रहे हैं। शौकत भाई आपका बहुत शुक्रिया, लोन दाऊद आपका भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। शौकत भाई आपने भी एक सजेशन डाली है वहाँ पर, तो लास्ट टाइम हमने एक जो है एक स्क्रीनशॉट डाला था जिसमें जो एलबीडब्ल्यूज़ की अपील जो की जाती है बॉलर्स की तरफ से, तो जो एलबीडब्ल्यू आउट दिया जाता है, इम्पैक्ट लाइन बॉल जो है वो विकेट्स को जो है हिट कर रही है नहीं कर रही है, उसका जो पूरा जो क्राइटेरिया है वो बताया गया था। तो मुझे लगता है कि अंपायर्स ने वो पूरा पढ़ लिया, क्योंकि वो SNW की तरफ से ही वो स्क्रीनशॉट लगा था हमारे ग्रुप में। तो मुझे लगता है कि जो अंपायर्स है उनका फ़ैसला काफ़ी जो है, मुझे लगता है कि एक नज़दीकी मामला होता है। बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी होती है जिसको आप फिर नहीं देख पाएंगे। तो हाँ, यकीनी तौर पे बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट भी दिया जाता है बल्लेबाज को, लेकिन जब आप अक्रॉस द लाइन खेलते हो, बॉल जो है स्टम्प्स टू स्टम्प्स गेंदबाजी हो रही है, राउंड द विकेट्स गेंदबाजी हो रही है, इसमें कोई शक की गुंजाइश है नहीं। लेकिन यह भी मानना ज़रूरी है कि क्या राउंड द विकेट्स अगर कोई गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं, क्या वहाँ पर एलबीडब्ल्यू कोई आउट हो नहीं सकता है? ऐसा भी आपको देखना है कि जो बल्लेबाज है उसका जो खेलने का तरीका क्या है, गेंद कहाँ पे लग गई और जो गेंदबाज का जो है वो कहाँ पे गेंद को पिच कर रहे थे। तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा चीज़ें वो मैटर करते हैं। कुपवाड़ा से कुछ लोग जुड़ जुए, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। ओवैस शाह जहांगीर आपका भी बहुत शुक्रिया। तो इस तरह से शायद जहांगीर, कल भी आपने एक कमेंट किया था, ये सालिया प्रीमियर लीग, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहे अल्फाज, ये कुछ मुझे अजीब सा अल्फाज लग रहा है। सालिया प्रीमियर लीग, SPL में कहूँगा, फिर बाद में देखिए। बहुत ही अच्छी फील्डिंग यहाँ पर, पूरी लोलीपोरा के जो लोग यहाँ पर मैच देख रहे हैं उन्होंने सराहा इस फील्डिंग को, यकीनी तौर पर एक और चौका बचा दिया। तो जहांगीर भाई आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। तो जहांगीर भाई मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है शाह जहांगीर की ये SPL लीग कहाँ पे चल रही है, क्या कर रही है। तो इस गेंद को खूबसूरत अंदाज में खेल दिया है, गेंद चली गई यहाँ पर लपक झपकते सीधे सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रनों के लिए। शौकत भाई आपने एक वैलिड पॉइंट बताया है कि यू डोंट हैव रिव्यू सिस्टम्स। तो डेफिनेटली जब जो DRS सिस्टम था, जब ये पहली दफ़ा इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था वर्ल्ड क्रिकेट में, तो पहले इसमें बहुत सारी टीम्स है जो इसको अप्लाई नहीं कर रहे थे, लेकिन फिर तो ये ग्लोबली जो है अप्रूव किया गया ICC की तरफ से। तो एक तो ये डायरेक्ट रेफरल सिस्टम था, एक तो ORS सिस्टम था, ऑफिशियल रेफरल सिस्टम था। तो कुछ इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा जो है फ़र्क हुआ करता था पहले बट शौकत। तो भाई जो है एक्चुअली यहाँ पर जो टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है, अब कुछ सालों से मुझे लगता है कि हम SNW जो है यहाँ पर पहली बार जब हमने लाइव किया था, लाइव की शुरुआत यहीं से हुई थी पहली बार। हालांकि उसके बाद काफ़ी ज़बरदस्त लाइव किए थे बाकी जो लोग खिला रहे हैं मैचेस, चाहे वो बुरज़ाहमा से है, चाहे वो JKPL से है, चाहे कितने भी काफ़ी लोग हैं वादी में जो मैच लाइव कर रहे हैं। डेफिनेटली हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है, लेकिन आखिर में तो फैसला वही होगा ना जो अंपायर देंगे, जो अंपायर को वहाँ पर नज़र आ रहा है। टेक्नोलॉजी अगर आपके पास नहीं है, अगर रन आउट होगा क्या उस वक्त भी क्या बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट आप बल्लेबाज को देंगे? नहीं ना। जहाँ पर आपको फैसले लग रही है कि ये 100% एक करेक्ट फैसला है, सही फैसला है। इस बार एक बार फिर अपील की थी, वहाँ पर लेग स्टंप को मिस कर रही थी। अब देखना पड़ेगा, बल्ले से गेंद लग के चली गई थी यहाँ पर स्क्वायर लेग की जानिब, तब तक 2 रन मुकम्मल किए। इन 2 रनों के साथ स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ अफरवर्ट का 100 रन भी मुकम्मल, 103 बोर्ड पे लग चुके हैं, 7 विकेट आउट, 31 गेंदे 48 रन। तो शौकत भाई, ये सभी जितने भी सजेशंस हमें आ रही है कश्मीर सपोर्ट्स वॉच पे, रात राशिद हमसे जुड़ गया है कुलगाम से, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। लियाकत मंजूर आपका भी बहुत शुक्रिया। कश्मीर नाइट्स ने जीता गया, हाँ उनने जीता जहाँ पर मैच, बहुत बड़ा मैच था। बिलाल पांड्या और लतीफ़ गब्बर जो है उन्होंने ज़बरदस्त इनिंग्स के लिए 72 रनों की इनिंग्स के लिए यहाँ पर तो एक ज़बरदस्त मैच हुआ था। एफसीसी बसपुरा को इस कंपटीशन से बाहर कर दिया। अब फॉरवर्ड 11 को अब ज़रूरत है, 30 गेंदें बाकी, 46 रनों की ज़रूरत है। क्रिकेट अनिश्चितताओं का खेल है, कुछ भी नहीं कहा जाएगा जब तक ना आप आखिरी गेंद फेंकेंगे। विकेट कीपर बिल्कुल 40 फुट दूर विकेटों से, मुदस्सिर वहां पर बैकवर्ड पॉइंट पे गली पे एक खिलाड़ी को रखा गया, हालांकि उनको अब थर्ड मैन पे लिया गया। डीप पॉइंट पे एक खिलाड़ी, शॉर्ट कवर पे एक खिलाड़ी मौजूद, लॉन्ग ऑफ, लॉन्ग ऑन, डीप मिड विकेट, डीप स्क्वायर लेग पे एक खिलाड़ी को तैनात किया गया। और फाइन लेग एक वाहिद एरिया ऐसा है जहां पर कोई खिलाड़ी मौजूद नहीं, जहां से अभी अभी एक बाउंड्री लग गई। रात राशिद आपका शुक्रिया, इतू किफायत आपका भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। 30 गेंदों में 46 रनों की जरूरत है फॉरवर्ड 11 को यहां से मैच जीतने के लिए। कौन मैच जीतेगा बताइए कमेंट्स में। अच्छी गेंद वहां पर लग रहा है किनारा और इंतजार करेंगे। कमाल की गेंद, इस तरह से आजान भी हो रही है। 8 विकेट आउट, 29 गेंदों में 46 रनों की जरूरत है। हम यहां पर थोड़े से रुक जाएंगे जब तक अजान पड़ी जाएगी। यहाँ पर ये नेट प्रैक्टिस के लिए है जब तक अजान हो जाए। मोहम्मद उमर आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। जब तक अजान हो जाए आप हमसे जुड़ते रहे। अजान का एहतराम करते हुए हम KSW जो कश्मीर स्पोर्ट्स वॉच की टीम है, हमने फैसला हमेशा ये लिया कि हम अजान के वक्त चुप करेंगे। अमर भाई थोड़ा सा इंतजार करो. Welcome back here after the time of Adhan, and thanks to Almighty Allah. And it is now 24 balls remaining, 40 runs here, 111. That's Nelson on the board. Two batsmen at the crease are Nasir and Shahid. Nasir has yet to open his account, and Shahid is not out on one. Middle order has absolutely collapsed for the team of Afar 11. They need 40 runs here on from 24 balls. Beautifully played catch is the call once again. It is over the top. It's over the top of the Deep Skylark fans for a 6. Wonderful shot from batsman this time, Nasir. He has whacked it and pulled it beautifully for a 6 here. 23 balls and 34 runs needed here. This game is not yet done. Upperwood 11, they should stay their hopes. They should be alive with their hopes here on. If they want to reach the pinnacle of the game, they need to be very composed. Comes in Salman, this time beautifully bowls and forces the batsman to block the ball and best respect to the bowler. No run results. Muhammad Umar, yes, absolutely, my phone is down. And it is 117 on the board. 22 balls, 34 runs. WCC Lolipura needs 2 wickets. And Upperwood 11 needs 34 runs here on. Shahid and Nasir are at the crease. Salman comes in right arm over the stumps. Comes down the track on drive. Beautifully plays the shot. Finds the fielder at the long on until ball will be returned back to the wicket keeper. Batsmen have all the time between the wickets. This young lad, this young talented boy from Upperwood 11 with jersey number 17, that is Shahid, is playing some glorious shots. He needs to play sensible, as the equation here is 21 balls and 32 runs needed. Upperwood 11, if they want to go close to the match, this partnership play a vital role there. Fielder gets injured. WCC Lolipura won the toss. They have given 151 target to the opponents here. All the fans from Lolipura are watching the match. Ejaz Ahmed used to be the wicket keeper. Jahangir Ahmed, some other guys. Bilal Saab, thank you so much for joining us. Bilal is a very expert in radiology, a radiographer. Thank you for joining us. And the match has gone into the exciting phase now. 32 balls, rather it is 32 runs and 21 balls. Salman goes to the top of his bowling mark. Right arm over the stumps. One slip in place. We have a short third man. Backward up point. Point cover and long off. These are at the catching positions. We have a long on. Cow corner. And deep skylark as well. Bowler goes to the top of his bowling mark. Salman, right arm over the stumps. Wicket keeper staying away from the stumps. Edges and just land safely before the man at the first slip carries it. And ball goes safely towards him. No damage done. No run results as well. It's 119 on the board. 20 balls, 32 runs. Drop your comments on Kashmir Supports Watch. Can Upperwood 11 cruise a victory here, or can WCC Lolipura defend this 151 target here? Basit comes in, Salman rather. This time nudges the ball beautifully towards the short square leg. Second is the call for the batsman. Will he be able to get it? There is swift running between the wickets. Upperwood 11, they are not giving up this moment now. Match is not yet done. It's 19 balls to go, 30 runs required here on. Last ball to go from this over. Salman 2.5 overs, 28 runs, 1 wicket. His economy has been 9.88. Most expensive so far. Upperwood 11 need to apply some gimmick here on in the game. Both the batsmen looks quite talented. Talenders. Beautifully played this time. Beats the man at the backward of point and splashes it over. And beat is almost 3 fielders there. Ball is racing to the fence for 4. What a terrific shot from batsman Shahid. Ball lands safely before it reaches to the fence for 4. Fielding at the end will be a big question to the WCC Lolipura. Although there has been some spectacular catches, especially the catch behind the wickets by wicketkeeper. That was a terrible one. Score moves up to now. 125 on the board. 18 balls to go. 26 runs. Who will win this match? Rafi says a forward 11. Firdaus, Lolipura. It's a 50-50 match for someone. The match is not yet done. The match has got its momentum back because Shahid is keeping hopes alive for the team of Upper Road 11. Complete silence in both the dugouts. Bowler has been brought into the attack. It looks like Basit. Bowler goes to the top of his bowling mark. It is Basit with one slip in place. Third man has been placed in at the deep. Mudassir at the backward of point. We have a deep point, short cover and long off. This is the offside fielding. Comes in. Bowls are beautifully one. Goes straight down the ground there. Until ball will be returned back. Batsmen have all the time to go for a run here. Score moves up to now. 126 runs on the board. Now the equation is 18 balls and 26 runs needed here. A forward 11. They are going very close to the game now. This partnership is very, very important in perspective of Upper Road 11. This time, oh, that was beautifully bowled. And this young lad, Shahid, oh, what a talent he is. He comes at number 9, I guess. And the talent he is carrying and the talent he is possessing in terms of playing shots, it seems that there is depth in the batting of Upper Road 11. The management of Upper Road 11 looks absolutely gloomy here. They will be absolutely thinking how they will cruise a victory here at SNW 2020 cricket tournament at SNW venue. Bowler Basit comes in right arm over the stumps to Shahid. Silver one. This time it will be working for him. Chips it over. That has been taken. This was the vital wicket for WCC Lolipura. 2020 game is sometimes up and sometimes down. A forward 11 have lost there. A very vital wicket. He is walking back to the hut. Shahid, the man who has been trapped there. And absolutely a fantastic bowling. Sometimes, couple of short pitch deliveries, 2 fuller ones, and there was some quicker deliveries in and over. Traps him on a silver ball that really worked well for the team WCC Lolipura and for Basit as well. Ishfaq Wani is the new batsman. This is the last appear at the crease now. 15 balls to go and 25 runs needed here. A forward 11. They are in an absolute trouble in SNW Memorial Ground. You are watching on Kashmir Sports Watch. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Adil Ashraf, well bowled. Really, this was a fantastic bowling. Basit is getting really some good confidence there. Cricket is game of uncertainties. Until last ball will be bowled, you cannot predict anything. Bowler comes right arm over the stumps. One slip continues. Short pitch delivery. This time batsman with a promising start for his individual score. Ishfaq sends the ball towards the silly point. Fielder comes from the backward of point and returns the ball until yet another run has been taken by the batsman. Score goes up to now 127 for the loss of 9 wickets. 14 balls and 29 runs. Nasir is the man. WCC needs only one good delivery there. This time a catch is once again called for the man at the long off. Fumble there. This is the final call for him. He is way back to his line there. One more run has been taken. Muhammad Umma, absolutely not good cricket by the middle orders of Upperwood 11. Although after the collapse of the top of the order, the late middle order, they needed to be capitalized and sustain the pressure here. That did not really happen. Match is still going. It is 13 balls and 23 runs needed here. 128 on the board. Upperwood needed 151 runs. That is the target for them. Ishfaq Wani on strike. Nasir at the non-striker's end. Both the batsmen are new at the crease. Basit comes in the final time in this over. This time Basit has lost his run-up, I guess. And ball safely lands there and pitches up. Short rising delivery, just copping on his shoulders. No damage done. It's now 128 on the board after the end of 18 overs. The current run rate is 7.11 and the asking run rate is 11.50. Adil Ashraf, thank you for joining me. Mujib is already gone. Mujib is watching the match from the hut. 12 balls and 23 runs needed here. Upperwood 11. Some problems in the middle order. They need to work hard over it. Abid was looking good. He was out on 29. Mujib is a handy, and a promising batsman from the side. He is really a talented batsman. He could not capitalize. He scored only 16 runs. Wahid alone scored only 2 runs. That was a very vital wicket. Mehraj was another victim. He was LBW on the bowling of Mir Ejaz. And Maqsood was another disaster for the team of Upperwood 11. So if we talk about the top order, only 30, 46 and 48 runs have been scored by the 4 batsmen at the top of the order. In the middle order, 4 batsmen have scored only 44 runs. In fact, 46 runs. So this speaks about their performance, Upperwood 11. The management absolutely would be, disappointed over this performance. Meanwhile, bowler comes in right arm over the stumps. Short pitch delivery, batsman wants to smash it over. Beautifully bowled there. 11 balls to go here. 23 runs needed. 19th over is going there. Salman has been brought into the attack. Salman, despite being the expensive of the day, the captain has believed in him. And this is exactly Zishan, absolutely, they have lost their match by their short selections. It was a poor short selection by Upperwood 11 today. The front foot and the use of footwork was not utilized well by Upperwood 11. That needs to be worked hard there. Otherwise, this is a batting paradise. 151 was never a tough task for them. Lolipura, WCC were leaking a lot of runs in early overs. And meanwhile, bowler goes to the top of his bowling mark. Change in the fielding. Deep mid wicket has been placed in. We have a long off, long on at the catching position. 11 balls and 23 runs. This time batsman wants to swing his hard. Goes towards the long on. Until ball returns back to the bowler. 1 run results. The equation here is 9 balls. 9 balls and 22 runs here. Upperwood 11 needs 2 big lusty blows here. Irshad, Haidri, thank you. Khan, Javed, thank you so much. Bowler comes. Salman, right arm over the stumps. 4 time in this over. 9 balls to go. This time batsman goes for a big one. Inside, almost direct to hit. Might have been a big caution. Batsman finally lands his bat safely. And there is one more addition to the tally. Siko moves up to 130 for the loss of 9 wickets. WCC Lolipura needs 1 wicket And Upperwood 11 needs 21 runs. You are watching on Kashmir Sports Watch. Who will win this match? Adil Ashraf. Don't go for wicket Salman. Ganai Mehraj, walaikum salam, comes in, bowls to batsman Nasir. Oh, this time this was wide outside the off stump. Batsman had already stayed behind the line there. No run results. Score is staying on 130. Last ball to go in this over. Last ball from the 19th over. Seven balls and 21 runs. Last pair at the crease. This is a penultimate over in process. This time it was a slower one, beats him. Oh God, direct hit might have sent him back to the hut. Fantastic throw, though it could not hit the stumps. That marks the end of 19 overs here. Now we are in the final over of this. Another match from SNW Kashmir Sports Watch presenting you Sajjad Nazir. Thank you so much for joining on Kashmir Sports Watch. Khan Javed, thank you. Firdaus Ahmadwani, thank you. Muhammad Umar, 90% WCC. Yeah, Ganai Mehraj, I'm from Baramulla. Thank you, Ganai Bhai. And I know you. Sajjad Nazir, thank you. Watching from Kupwara, one of the beautiful districts, the extreme northwest district of the valley. And where Angelus Trophy do happen, at the Kulengam. I have a lot of friends from Kupwara as well as from Handwara. Thank you joining for me on Kashmir Sports Watch. You are watching a terrific match between Upperwood 11 and versus WCC Lolipura. It has been a tough task today for Upperwood 11, not getting the runs, and they did not perform very well at the middle. They lost their wickets frequently and consistently. There hasn't been any kind of good partnership. So cricket is all about partnerships. Kamarwari, and I love Kamarwari, but I don't love the jam from Kamarwari, dear brother. It has turned out to be a bottleneck. Meanwhile, bowler comes in. Bowler has been brought into the attack basket. This is the final over in process now. Right arm over the stumps. This time swings it and catches the call. Ball will go into the fans for 4. Straight down, straight through the Manpreet Singh. The ball has gone straight to the cow corner. It's a boundary on the board here. The match is not yet done. 5 balls and 16 runs. This match is not yet done. Stay tuned on Kashmir Sports Watch and present your comments. Let's see by how many runs WCC Lolipura can win this match. This will be a question to you if they will be able to get it. Comes in. Oh, wants to swing it hard. Miscues it. Beautifully bowled, a fuller one. Well taken behind the wickets. No damage done. It is now 4 balls to go and 16 runs needed. On every ball, you need a boundary here, Upperwood 11. 4 गेंदों में 16 रनों की जरूरत है. 4 गेंदों में 16 रनों की जरूरत है Upperwood 11 को. आखिरी जोड़ी पिच पे मौजूद. आखिरी ओवर खेला जाने जा रहा है यहाँ पर. इस तरह से एक बार फिर यहाँ से सिर्फ एक चीज आपको बचा सकता है. 2 छक्के लगाने पड़ेंगे Upperwood 11 को. 135 बोर्ड पे लग चुका है. 151 का ताकुब करते हुए 3 गेंदों में 16 रनों की जरूरत. 3 to go, 60 needed here. Batsman from the non-cycle stand comes and is having some words with the Nasir there. The only way to go is there. Just come forward and bang. This is a beamer, maybe a no ball, yes. Absolutely no ball delivery. Beamer one from the bowler. Loses his grip and could not hold the ball. Ball landed safely. Muhammad Umar behind. by wicketkeeper. Free hit has been signalled. This is cherry on the cake. 15 to go from 3 balls here. Afterward 11 needs 15 runs. This time smashes it. Catches the call and 6 is the signal. And signature word of Shafi Para. Land safely, and this is the beauty of this man Nasir. Hits hard and hits smartly. It lands safely outside the fence. 2 balls to go and 9 runs needed. In 40 overs, this game is not done. This is the beauty of cricket. We are in the 40th over of the match, and the match is yet to be done. Pressure comes on WCC Lolipura, not cricketers, but fans who are watching the match. Basit goes to the top of his bowling mark. No change in the fielding. Deep mid wicket has been placed in. Once again, did not time it well. Gets it inside as ball goes towards the short mid wicket. Some respite comes for the team WCC Lolipura. They are having some smiles here, although they are not describing and they are not displaying it. But their smile describes actually that they are cruising towards their victory. Can we have a super over? If white ball will be there or a no ball, because cricket is game of this time edges and flies through the first slip and is into the fence for 4. A forward 11 have lost the match by 3 runs. Can you believe me? They will be really reviewing. They will be surely disappointed today, because this was not their good performance. Finally, WCC Lolipura have won the match by 3 runs. After this, we have a belt of matches of GMW football match. So this is actually Shafi Bara. Everybody knows me, and you are watching on Kashmir Supports Watch. You can watch the Rakib. You can focus our spectators here. And today I am wearing this was a gift from Majid Bhai, Ali Memorial T-shirt, and this will be a well advertising for Ali Memorial for next edition if he will be able to play that. And thanks Majid Bhai for giving this wonderful gift today. And for the first time I am wearing these T-shirts at SNW Memorial Ground. And the news from the middle is that at the end, Afterward 11 could not win the match. WCC Lolipura, they have won the match by 3 runs. Tomorrow is a Super Sunday here, a big match. Kashmir Gymkhana will be taking on Friends 11 Tangmarg. Stay tuned on Kashmir Supports Watch. Tomorrow will be a big match in first meetings.
2 p.m.
At 2 p.m. The match will start at 2 p.m. We will be live from Kashmir Supports Watch from the same venue. Stay tuned on Kashmir Supports Watch. Don't go anywhere. And let's have some sponsors of the Rakib for 1 minute. My technical head.